the most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and lust for the blood. Teeth like a razor which can suck your meat from the bone. And as you can see, he's a killer. He's a killer. Oh my God. Look at his sharp teeth with two skinny ears. This is our Scotch network, like a Cartoon Network. As you can see, this ear always catch signals on Cartoon Network. Oh my God, he oversees Mr. Bean's study beer. Oh my God. Can you tell me why you're so delicious? And he like hamsters too much more than him. And he like hamster like a baby. Oh my God. That's why I just thought was so crazy on this planet. Can you tell me, Mr. Boo, why you're so crazy? You like me, Boo? Why you're so crazy, dog? Can you tell me, sir? Okay, I have to go back home. Bye-bye. Do you know, my throat not working well today because it's the coughing in my in my throat, so I have to go back. Okay, I have to go.